Hello students, have a nice day. I would like to explain a topic that I think that very useful for students. The values of books. Books are very important for a student. My father, Honorable, used to tell me that always read new and good books, but you can wear torn clothes. मेरे पिताजी कहना था कि कपड़े फटे पहन लो कोई बात नहीं, पर पुस्तकें हमेशा नहीं पढ़ो. पुस्तकों के जो प्रति एक लगाव है, अटैचमेंट है, अगर एक ये बालक विकसित कर लेता है, if students can create a real interest, real attachment to the books, I think that he is the best scholar. Today we have a numbers of medium to gain knowledge. There are schools, colleges, universities, training centers, internet, computer, TV, films, theater, mobile phone, radio, audio, and so on, which impart knowledge. But all these medium use a book at one stage or other. The values of books is like the falling of water of an unending cascade. Books are valuable for a number of purposes. They are like true friends. Books are our true friends. As a we do not want to live without true friends, and if we want to pass a pleasure life, we must have a friend. Same way, books are our true friends and philosophers which guides us. Books are our real guide. Books can tell us the best path of life, how we have to pass our life in this modern and competitive world. Only book can tell us. They never betray their reader or lover. The man who loves books, the man who reads books, books can never cheat him, because whatever we have read in our books cannot deceive us, because it is 100% right. They always guide in right direction, whether it is prosperity or it is adversity. They do not have their self-interest as it is the case in human beings. They give complete and schedule information. The handing of the book is easy and the cost is paid only once. Books can also be gifted, thus the values of books are innumerable. We cannot explain, we cannot write, we cannot tell the value of the books. If you have good books, then we should consider that we have really the best treasure of the world. That's all for this period.